In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted folder on Dropbox. Whether you've accidentally deleted important files or simply need to access a folder you thought was no longer needed, Dropbox makes it relatively easy to recover deleted items. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring you don't miss anything crucial along the way. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to dropbox.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. It's essential to be logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Dropbox profiles, to prevent confusion later on. Now that you're signed in, you should see the main dashboard in front of you. On the left hand side, there's a sidebar with several options. Look for the one labeled deleted files and give it a click. This section is your gateway to all the files and folders you've previously deleted, so it's a valuable spot to remember. Once you're in the deleted files section, you'll see a list of all items that have recently been deleted. Your task now is to find the specific folder you wish to recover. If you have a large number of deleted items, you might need to scroll down or use the search feature to locate the one you're after. Take your time here. It's important to ensure you're selecting the correct folder, especially if multiple folders have similar names. When you've identified the right folder, you'll notice a checkbox next to its name. Check this box to select the folder for recovery. If you need to recover multiple folders, you can check more than one at this point. It's a handy feature for those who want to restore several items at once. With your selection made, look for the Restore button. It should be conveniently located at the top of your list of deleted items. Clicking this button will begin the restoration process. And that's it. Dropbox will work its magic and place the folder back into its original location in your account. You should see the folder reappear where it once lived, complete with all the files it originally contained, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've just learned how to recover deleted folders in Dropbox effortlessly. Remember, Dropbox typically keeps these files for a certain period before permanently deleting them, so it's always best to act quickly when you realize something's missing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in getting your important folders back. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on using Dropbox and other tech tools efficiently. See you in the next video.